Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi. First of all, very sorry to everyone for late uploading of video. Many of you guys asked me why my videos are not uploading. Let me tell you guys, I was in depression for some time. Life gives us ups and downs and we have to cope up with it. Now came up, boosted, and hope you will like today's video. So let's get started. Starting by prepping my skin with a primer from Blue Heaven Studio Perfection. For eyebrows, first I am using the brown eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire to outline my eyebrows and shaping them. Then I am filling in the sparse area of my eyebrows with the eyebrow gel from Music Flower. For foundation, I am using the foundation by Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Beach, which is a medium to full coverage foundation. Don't forget to use it on the neck to get a same flawless base as your face. To add some structure to my face, I am using the Contour Cream Series palette by TYA Generation 2. Using this coffee shade, I am contouring my face starting from the hollows of my cheekbones, jawlines, forehead and neck. Now I am using the concealer from Miss Claire to conceal my eyes and then blending it well with a beauty sponge. For highlighting my face, I am using this concealer on the highest planes of my face, such as tip and bridge of my nose, forehead, little bit on the upper lips and on tip of my chin. Then I am setting my face with some translucent powder and slightly pressing it on my entire face to set it. Then I am locking my base makeup using a setting spray which is from Blue Heaven Studio Fix. Before the eye makeup, we need to prep it by cleaning the border of the eyebrow and then using the same concealer on the eyelids will prime it. And then I am blending the concealer using a flat concealer brush. For my eye makeup, I am using the Swiss Beauty and Hilary Roda's combined eyeshadow palette. I am taking this green shade and with the help of this bullet brush, I am placing it on my crease. As this color is looking harsh on my skin, I am taking this light shade color, which we will call a transition color, and will use it on the top of the green color to make it look soft. Now, using a black shade, I am deepening the green color to make it suit to my dress color. Using this blending brush, I am blending all three eyeshadows well to get a smooth look. I will be doing a cut crease, so I will show you how I create my cut crease. If you want your cut crease to look sharp, use any cleanser and clean your eyelids before you cut your crease. To create a cut crease, I am using this concealer brush and using the concealer to cut the crease, dragging the concealer smoothly on the eyelid. Now I am using the same green color as used on the crease on my outer corner of my eyes and blend it well. Using the same black shade, I am deepening the green shade on the outer corner of my eye. Now I am taking this red shade and placing it beside the green color and blending it well. To pop up this look, I am using this golden shade and using it between the inner corner and the red shade and will blend this well. For lash line, I am using both the green and black shades and using it on my lower lash line to match it up with the crease shade. Then to highlight my eyes, I am using a metal shimmer shade and highlighting the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone. For kajal, I am using a gel liner in black shade and using it on my lower waterline as well as on the upper waterline. To line my top lash line, I am using my all-time favorite liquid eyeliner from Lakme in black. For falsies, I am using the false eyelashes from Kalelis. And this is the complete turquoise cut crease eye look. For blush, I am using these two shades from this palette and using it on the high place of my cheek. The products I used in this video are mentioned in the description box. If you want to know, you can check there as well. I am using the bronzer from Rimmel in the shade Natural. Highlighting my face, I am using the highlighter from Swiss Beauty's Ultra Glow and using it to highlight my high points. For lipstick, I am using these two shades. To line up my lips, I am using a maroon shade from Matte Me, and then I am using a red shade from Color Essence to complete my look. And here's the final look. I paired this look with a green and red lehenga, which is perfect for a mehendi look. If any of the bride is thinking of getting ready by herself on her mehendi, this look would be so perfect. And to match it up, use some kundan jewelry with green nuts to make it look more ethnic and classy at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will post more of the wedding series videos now on my channel, so stay tuned. If you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button And if you are new here, do subscribe my channel. Your one like and subscribe will motivate me to make more beautiful videos. Lots of love, bye guys, and we'll see you soon with a new video.